Today is February 27th, and we're back at it again for your birthday countdown. You ready to open one before we get ready to go walk to the school bus?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Open this one.
Okay, go.
Oh God. This is a dark one.
Be careful. Use your fingers. Come on.
I think I need something sharp to do it.
Okay. Here's some scissors. Be careful with them, okay? Okay, good. Put them down. Good job.
Who did I get? I mean, who did we get?
Yes. Okay, be careful. Remember, always use safety with scissors, friends.
Yep.
Ooh, who is it?
His shirt says something.
Why don't you put it up close to the camera?
What does
Nice.
his shirt say?
It says Rhode Island. Cool. He is so cute. What does he look like to you?
A boat sailor.
Yeah, you're right. That's what I was thinking too, a sailor. You like that one, Pacie? I like that one.
Me too. And I
Alrighty,
like
friends. It's time for Pacie to get ready to go to the school bus.
Thank you everyone watching my video. Bye bye. This is like and subscribe. Click the bell please.